Welcome to RoboForm, a highly secure, amazingly fast, and easy-to-use password manager and form filler. Our software automatically remembers your passwords, logs you into websites, fills long web forms, and so much more. RoboForm will remember, organize, and securely protect your passwords. Allowing you to quickly and effortlessly log back into your favorite website with a single click. RoboForm will also fill in those long and tedious online forms for you. To increase password strength and protect you against hackers, RoboForm can automatically generate and enter secure random passwords. RoboForm was named PC Magazine Editor's Choice, CNET's Download.com Software of the Year, selected as one of top 25 products we can't live without by PC World, and was voted Best Internet Enhancement by the Shareware Industry Association's People's Choice Awards. RoboForm has received more than 100 5-star ratings from industry experts. Lee Gomes of the Wall Street Journal says, easy to use and without any hidden spyware. Innovative, lean, useful product. Alan Krauss of the New York Times says, it knows all your passwords, but promises not to tell. Computer Shopper Magazine says, RoboForm is the most powerful password management software we've come across. So stop worrying about losing or forgetting your usernames and passwords. RoboForm will remember them all and automatically log you into all your favorite websites. RoboForm saves you time and makes your life easier. Our software is enjoyed by millions of users worldwide. We guarantee you'll love it too.